Hi guys, super excited. Just got a package, my first unboxing video on this channel. And guess what it is? Maybe put down your guess in the comment box and tell me what you think this is. Let's open it up. Trusty old Leatherman, let's open it up, get a blade and start opening it right now. Got this package from Orms in Cape Town. Great service. I got this package within 2 days. All right, first things first, let's take it out, see what it is. Ooh, look at that. Canon EOS R6 at last. Yes, I decided to go with two mirrorless and move away from my trusty old Canon 5D Mark IVs. Can't wait to take this guy for a test. EOS R adapter for my EF lenses to the mirrorless. And whoa, this I'm so excited about, guys. It is the brand new RF 2470F 2.8. What a beast. I can't tell you how excited I am about this one. And then lastly, we've got two sets of memory cards here. I opted for the SDs. There's 128 gig cards. So they'll give me plenty of space for the new cameras. Nice packaging, Canon. Oh, look at this. Nothing like a brand new camera. Oh my word. It is so small and light. Wow. I have to start this puppy up. Now for this bad boy. Let's have a look. Lens pouch. And one solid piece of glass. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Insane, guys. This is so beautiful. Wow. I'm almost scared like dropping it or something, like my first camera I ever received. Now look at that powerful combo. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video, the first ever on my channel. I look forward to taking this Canon R6 and the 2470 for a real world test and get back to you guys on how it's performing. Have you considered switching to mirrorless yet? Are you using the Canon system? Are you using maybe a R5, or are you looking forward to the R3 coming soon? I sure am very excited to take this baby for a spin. Cheers, guys.